So this is the new Yaris, locally assembled next to the Vios in Shah Alam. It's very similar to the Vios, same chassis, similar looks, of course sharpened up because it's a hatchback. Same engine, same gearbox, similar rims, I think almost the same rims. Yeah, probably the same rims. But I think there's substantially enough different here. I just realized there's been a Hilux in the shot this whole time. I want to start off at the back because that's obviously where it's the most different from the Vios. I think it's a really nice looking back. This little piano black finish here makes it look quite sophisticated. I think they try to get it to look very sporty with this weird horns on the spoiler. It's subjective whether you like it or not, but I think this middle section here is genuinely pleasing. The rear bumper maybe also a little bit subjective. See, on the red here it looks okay, but you see this piece here, this little C-shaped thing, this is in that cartoon flavor of red that seems to extend across the body, the bottom half, and in any color you get it, this red is still there. I didn't like it in silver with the red pieces, even though silver looks really nice on this half because of the contrast between black and silver. I just didn't find this part appealing, but you know what, small complaint. This is what the inside of the boot looks like. I don't think it's small for a hatchback, it's actually not bad. Do the seats full? Let me find out. Yeah. So not flat, just like the Vios. There's a bit of a ledge here. Hey, at least you can fold down these seats if you need the space. So another big difference between the Vios and the Yaris is this fabric upholstery. I like it. It's a very decent looking interior. Interior, all of this is similar, but one part down there, the panoramic view monitor button. Over here it looks so classy and distinguished and like a proper OE part, but in the Vios that part looks absolutely cheap. Besides that, actually it's very similar to the Vios. This part is still leather, nice soft touch part, but this center rest is fabric. Another part that you should note is the headliner. The entire thing is blacked out, which gives this really, I mean, not to say really premium, but it gives a nice impression. When you go inside here, it feels like something more expensive than a Toyota. And I really like that. That's about it. Thank you very much. Hope you like the moustache, by the way.